Alright, guys, kita sekarang ni dekat stesen Circular Quay and that's the Sydney Bridge. Well, that's the Sydney Opera House. Dekat stesen Circular Quay. Kakak?
What? What do you want? What do you want?
Let's go see Andy Luman. Yeah.
Itu adalah Sydney Bridge.
Station Circular Quay, guys, Circular Quay. Hari ni kan kita akan naik ferry ke Manly. This is the ferry. This is the ferry that we are going to ride. No, sebab. So Nasha, we are going to ride a ferry. Do you know that? But not this ferry. Apparently, Manly is this side. So it's that side.
Is it the one that's coming?
I'm not sure. Oh, it hasn't arrived. But I think that's the one that's about to come.
Which one is the one?
Tu, yang tengah jalan tu. Yang tengah jalan tu. Tu ke? Bukan ke? Tak tahulah ferry yang mana satu. Ferry yang mana satu? Ni lagi Manly ni. Ferry tu ke? Bukan juga. Tak sampai lagi lah ferry dia, kakak. Jom tengok view. Let's see the view. So that's the view of the Sydney Bridge. Yang tu Sydney Opera. Oh, tak berapa jelas sangat lah. Alright guys, kita daripada Circular Quay. Daripada Circular Quay kita dah naik ferry ni. Nak bertolak dah.
I think that we're moving.
Ya.
Banyaknya tu pun. Lumayan macam biasa.
Luman. Are you okay?
Macam ni tengok banyak bangunan-bangunan.
Luman. Cantik. Of course lah. Rich people je. Sekejap lagi nanti kita akan bertolak. So Nasha, apa perasaan kita? Nasha, itu aeroplane lah.
I don't think it's an aeroplane.
Itu aeroplane lah yang tulis perkataan apa will you marry me tu.
What the?
Best kan Nasha?
Ah no, the sun is coming.
Video.
Ah.
So, jangan. So daripada sini kita boleh nampak. See? The Sydney Opera House. Alah, tapi because of the apa nama? Cahaya matahari jadi tak berapa boleh nampak sangat. Okay, di sini guys kita nampak a ship. Saya rasa it's a warship tapi ID dia cakap it's not a warship. I don't know what ship is this.
Military supply ship.
Oh, it's a military supply ship. Is it same as warship? Tengok tu pemandangan Sydney guys. Cantik guys, cantik.
Cover me from the sun.
Cover what?
Tak lah.
Make sure it doesn't ni tau. Dia tak terbang-terbang. Jaman? Jaman ke kak? Mana kita tahu okey je.
My hair is just, I don't know,
Mess up.
messed up.
Kita kena pergi sini. Ada tempat ni.
What?
Historical ni.
I don't care. Tak payahlah apa-apa.
Okay, bye.
Alright, kita dah finish visiting Manly Beach. Well, Manly Beach tu memang best lah kalau you all memang planning untuk nak mandi-mandi kan dekat beach tu. Padahal orang-orang macam kita orang yang tak bawa swimming suit and the rest of the thing, tak apalah, kita orang just tengok-tengok je 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Lepas tu kita balik lah kan. Nice view guys. Adik pegang adik tu adik. I think so.
kita boleh pergi.
Ya, okay.
Search GPS ni ya. Tu mana? Tengah ni. Kita tempat ni lah.
Tadi asyik nangis saja. Apalah. Cantik view sini. But I don't know where is the Taronga Zoo. Tadi lagi aku nak cari Taronga Zoo kat mana tak jumpa lah. Alright, guys, hari ini kita dekat State Theatre. We are gonna watch Hello Kitty Super Adventure.
I'm the one filming you.
Jom. So, this is the State Theatre, guys. And ini adalah Luqman Hadi. Sebab dia tidak balik.
Nampak ke video?
Amazing. So that's the view, guys. So nice. Saya tak ada tiket, Mira. So kita orang tengah tunggu Kak Juzaila sebab dia yang pegang the free ticket. Okay, Nashra. Excited tak?
I was the one filming.
Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, kita orang dekat State Theatre. We are going to find our seat. Alah, nantilah. Memang tak sempat dah ni.
Itu bila?
You wanna buy popcorn now ke? So ini adalah State Theatre, guys. State Theatre. Ini adalah Luqman Hadi. State Theatre ni exit dia kan. Tengok dia punya bangunan. Oh,
Some
cantik.
dramatic parts.
Hah, what?
Nothing.
Kat sini banyak. Okay guys, kita nak balik dah ke Kuala Lumpur. Nak balik ke Kuala Lumpur dah. Ya. Luqman nak balik dah kan? Mai sini.
Saya suka nak balik. Ini akhirnya.
Kakak Nashra dah tak sabar nak pergi school.
I don't want to go.
Okay, so kita orang nak balik ke Kuala Lumpur dah. Thank you Sydney for the 25 days journey. Bye. Guys, kita dah sampai Malaysia dah guys. Dan nampak tak? Sampai ke Malaysia guys, kita rasa bahang kepanasan ni guys. Kita dah sampai Malaysia guys. Dan orang tu mengucapkan kepada kita, Selamat Hari Raya. Rayakan sebulan. Okay guys,